We have another install to do. This pole is quite crowded with some stuff. Figure out a place to put the pole, and probably put the pole right on this side. Or maybe this side, either one. And get up high. No place to really mount the box and set way down there. I don't know if the cord would be long enough to actually reach up, so we're probably going to do like we've done on one in the past. We just mount it right in here, right up in here, and that'll be out of the way. And the hose and all that will be all, you know, if it hits it, it's not going to hurt the box or anything. Put the pole right here, get as high as possible. So let's get the ladder and get up there and see what we can see. Hopefully to see the AP. Okay, let's move up on the ladder and see what we see. See how high I got to put this CPE to get to see the good old AP. It may not be much to get up here. Let's see, where's the building? Oh, right. I can see it from here. See the other one. Trees are in the way on that direction. Over there. See the pole, but can't see the top. That's no line of sight. This one is definitely line of sight. Everything's white over there. All the white RVs, White House. Trying to find the AP. There we are. Everything's white. Everything kind of blends together from this distance. So I just needed to get it pretty much a couple feet above the roof. Pretty much the height of this right here. And I'll be good, because from this site, the height here, I can see the antenna, the AP, with no problem. So I use that as a reference, the height. I'm loving this new telescope ladder so much. It's heavier than the other one, but conveniency of putting it in the back of the vehicle and make it the length you need, 3 feet or 20 feet or anything in between. It's real nice. Real nice. So, can we get lucky and get this thing up on here? Will it be high enough? It's going to be close. I'm going to go ahead and put straps on this and get up there and see if that's high enough or not. Well, they say. Let's see. All right, well, here is the top, and we pan around, be sure I'm at least above that, and we're definitely above it. We're about 4 inches above the bottom of the CPE, is about 4 inches above this, so we should have no issues. So let's go ahead and mount this, see if we can get a direction, something to mark by of exactly which direction to mark and point that CPE. About the middle of that house over there, at the peak of it. See the let's see. Point about there. It's It's almost there. Turn it to the left a little bit and it should be good. It should be good by turning it to the left just a little bit. Just a little bit. About right there. Put this other bracket on it. Sure it's pretty straight up and down, all directions. Yeah, that'll work. Another bracket about right there. Put some screws in that one. All right, we got the box mounted. The only place that's really available to actually mount the box. Can't mount it over here because the pole will be here and the other box will be in the way. Can't really mount it here because this is in the way. And the hose is all up in the way. It would not fit. You can't mount it way down there because the power cord would not reach. This is the only place really left to mount it, and they can't mount it up here because then they couldn't get their hose on and off easily. And I could have taken this off and put it up here, but then again, the power cord would not have reached. So this is the only way I see to get it mounted here. So let's get the cube in, the power supply, and fire it up and activate their account and get it running. We have the air cube in, we got the power supply. Now we connect up to the PoE. And get that plugged into the air cube. Alright, got that wire in. Let's see if we get some lights lighting up. I know we got power because the PoE actually lit up. And yeah, the air cube's got power. And after it boots up, it'll get power to the CPE. So let's get to the laptop. Need a zip tie to put right here to hold that, so I can keep that loop as long as possible right down in there. When it gets wet, it'll actually drip off there instead of running into the box. So we're going to zip tie that right there.